Your network credentials. What is it doing?
It's in credentials, or LDAP credentials? LDAP credentials, right? What is under it?
Yeah, network credentials. Yeah, no, it's correct. this is the part. It is data staging DW extracts where all the DW files will be generated. Okay. So if you look at this, these are the files that have been generated today. Okay, 2013 9/18. Okay, these are the files. Actually, the file inventory master dot data file is the size will be like it's a huge file actually, so it will take a lot of time to get download. Okay, so that's the reason I have just have a sample file just to show you. Where is that inventory master file we have downloaded? Yes. Just edit +3. The file will be open. Okay, this is the format of the file. This is the inventory master file. Actually, I have deleted the records. It contains almost some 1 lakh records like that. So that's the reason I have just deleted few records. And so this is the overall file structure of INV MSTR. It's a pipe delimited. Okay, this is a pipe. So each field is separated by a pipe character. Okay. And where is the first document?
This is
KT documents. Specs.
Okay.
Which one you want?
Anyone? Inventory master. Anyway, it's not necessary. So whatever the data that generated in this particular file, it's exactly the same data which was available in inventory master underscore view table. Okay, V table. And yesterday I have told you to just go through one of the DW latest issue. Okay, this is one of the latest issue that came up recently. It is like September only. It's updated in September only. Okay, so DW load failed in overnight cycle on 8/28/2013 due to bad data in inventory master data file.
So this will be logged by developers or
no, actually this particular issue is logged by developer only.
Okay.
Maybe some of the business users might have contacted them.
Okay.
So for just tracking purpose they log this issue. Okay. So when you come to description, DW load fail in overnight cycle due to bad data. This is due to presence of a pipe character in the title field. Yesterday also I spoke. Yeah, I spoke regarding this. Okay. Inventory master data file being a pipe delimited file, this caused issue and corrupted the file. Okay, for this we have just taken couple of ISBNs and we have just entered a pipe characters, pipe symbols in the title fields, and we just saved that and we generated the DW INV MSTR file. And this is the request that we have sent to DBA team. Could you please load the latest DW MSTR.data DW file generated in OTC SIT to DW test. Actually, for each environment there is like different data warehouse environments also. If currently we are working on OTC SIT. So OTC SIT is mapped to one DW data warehouse system. That is nothing but DW test. Likewise, in the production OTC prod, in the DW case it is DW prod. So whatever the files which we create in OTC SIT, we need to request DBA team to load them to DW test.
So like that only WMS test, like that we have it?
Yeah, WMS test. and share the results with us. They said that this is done. I mean, it got successfully loaded without any errors.
So how do you test? You remove that pipe symbol and you tested, right?
No, I haven't removed.
Actually,
the issue is caused due to the presence of this pipe character in the title field.
Title field, yes.
Since the file is a pipe delimited, if there is a pipe character in between a title field, it splits into two, right?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
So that's the reason we have taken couple of ISBNs and we have inserted pipe characters in a title field.
Okay. Then how it goes?
No, the fix is that they are if there is any pipe character or any unknown symbols that presents in the title field, title or subtitle or long title, any field, code fix has been done in such a way that will be replaced with a space.
Okay.
So there is no more.
That developers fix the issue and they log in to test the for testing purpose, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So only this kind of issues will be raised in DW.
Okay.
So this is.
So again, the ISBN which will be taking for testing, you will create a new ISBN or you will take
any existing. I mean, there is no need to create any new ISBN or new account. Just
because today we start creating an ISBN. But it's a lengthy process and it's very confusing what we have created because it has took for 2 hours for us to create two ISBNs. Because somewhere we are stuck somewhere, but we are not able to replicate that.
Okay.
So somewhere it is saying bisect and bisect.
What is the problem? Bisect. Bisect.
And another is active family code mapping or product map. So we are not able to map it exactly.
I mean, earlier while I am creating the ISBN, I have told you, right? Just go to the family code mapping screen and just take any of the existing one.
We are taking that one only. HB we are taking the
HB. Yeah, the same. Whatever maybe the data in the family code mapping screen, that just replacing the items.
And in the list price also, in the list price we have changed the T to D.
Okay.
And we have saved it.
Okay.
But it is throwing an error.
Inventory price.
Because
of inventory. If there is a default, if there is, I mean, yesterday I told you, right? For every default, if there is an item having the default list price, then it should contain inventory price. So you may enter the inventory price or you just copy that checkbox is there, right?
Yeah.
You just copy.
So is there any document on how to prepare an
No.
No document, right?
Nothing like that.
And by creating the users also in security module, we have created all the user IDs for all of us. There will be one screen, right, where we can see all the users with active or inactive status like that. Is there any other screen in that security module?
No, you will be able to see in the user responsibility.
User
responsibility screen. I mean, this is about DW. Like, if you have any doubts or queries, then you can ask me.
Those view names, where can we get? You said that
view names, right? View name is nothing but in the document you will find the file name.
This is the one, master data.
Yeah. Okay. Just go to one. This is the view. ILVMSTR_view. There will be a pseudo logic for every interface in the document. There you will find the view name.
everything now, not only master but other interfaces also.
Yeah,
Everything follows the same thing.
same. But the FS documents vary.
So you have a test for everything, right?
Yeah, for everything.
Open order, AR data.
Yeah, for everything.
Sales rate tools.
I have that day I have
Yeah,
mailed you,
exactly.
right? In that everything.
We finished DW then.
Yes.
Oh.
In DW as of now everything is stabilized, right? So that's the reason there is nothing much that you can do. Just loading issues, like I said today and yesterday.
You see the KT hours, it says 5 hours. We finish in half an hour maybe. So I'm just wondering what is
No.
it?
Yesterday also it was DW only, right?
No, DW we didn't do anything. We just explain. I mean the one which you explained.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, as long as we don't miss out on something.
No, just we have given the estimates, that's it, because we have given DW for 5 hours, but there is some interfaces which takes like very much time than we given the figures, right? That's the reason.
So
When you
this is
connect
the
using-
incremental field or complete field?
This is incremental.
The one you showed.
Yeah. Inventory master. That you can find in the FS document also. Just open the document. In the top of at the starting of the it load type.
Oh.
In the beginning of the data mapping, you'll have the
So if there is any change, it will be an incremental field, or
incremental feed only generates for the change, for the updates.
okay.
If it is a complete file, then it will generate all the data.
What time we get the incremental field, what time we get the complete field?
Both will run daily. If there is if there are any updates for the current date, then the incremental file will have data. If suppose if you run INV file today, but you haven't changed anything,
Okay.
then in that case the file will be empty.
So you talked about 2 dates, right, Hema? What were those dates? Based on which it picks the data?
OTC batch date and OTC online date. Online date is nothing but sys date. But whenever you you have to update the dates, then you should update both the dates. Both the dates should be same.
So the incremental thing what he's asking about is, when for example, I run it today. So changes from what time will it pick up?
Last run.
Last time, right?
Since it is a daily scheduled job, right? It runs daily. So today, whatever the feed that runs yesterday and today of same date. So that time too.
See, a lot of records in the file, and how do you validate? How do you compare the data is accurate between the OTC component, the inventory component, and the file as well as the data values?
Previously, we used to validate by making some update transaction. In the starting stages, we used to do that. Now you can't compare them.
No, I don't want to compare the whole record. All the records, at least. The specific
You
thing.
just take one ISBN. You just do some update transaction and just note it down, like what are the updates that you have made. Then generate the file and then search with the ISBN. If you open the edit place, okay, if this is the ISBN for which you have changed, okay, control find and just search for it. This is the complete record.
How can I see?
There you can just open the spec and just validate each and every column field.
Every field. And,
Yeah.
So in the spec, it has written what is each field about.
Yeah, it was written.
See, it says character and length, everything. So you have to
Length.
go lengthwise, go to that place check for that length, that data is for that particular field.
Do you convert the whole file into spreadsheet, for some portion of the one screen, for some portion of the one screen?
No, no. In that case, you can't validate length and all.
Say I have 10
You
screens in the inventory.
you have to validate in either Edit Plus or Notepad Plus Plus.
Mhm.
That gives the exact length and all. Here, if you check for the ISBN,
Say for example, inventory has 10 screens. Master data is available in 10 screens. To validate 10 screen data here,
you
is there
have
an easy
to.
way for it?
You have to validate.
I mean, you might have done a lot of.
Yeah, I have done
Another
the
thing
same
is-
thing.
Yes, see, if you have to come to this file and do it, this is the only way you have to do it.
This is the only way.
Otherwise, there is a view there, right? If you want to really check the data actually, whether it's proper or not. One way
No,
of
in the
checking
earlier
is you can do it
stages,
there.
no. We even validated whether the view is capturing correct data or
Correct,
not.
exactly.
In that case, we have to go to each and every screen on that 10 screens, and I have done the same
Right,
thing.
right.
So the master data is always outbound, right?
Master data is always so.
So for 3.
No, every DW is outbound. There is nothing coming up.
Mhm. For what purpose we do this data feed to the DW basically?
What
To
purpose? I already told you, right? To
to
get
sync
the
up with the
systems,
data.
yeah. To get the systems in sync. That's it. The flow is like OTC to DW, DW to data flows to PubTracker. If we do any changes in the PubTracker, then it comes to OTC through a Java scheduler.
Okay, data is correctly synced with the DW. Then what is the next step from the DW?
DW, there will be like a daily schedule process which will flows the data to PT. Again from DW, the data will get flows to PubTracker,
Okay.
and these two systems will be in sync. Suppose if we done any changes in the PubTracker, then there is one Java scheduler process is there
Mhm.
that runs in a scheduled timing
Okay.
that get the changes to OTC. That's
So
a
why
complete
we are
cycle.
syncing with the PubTracker?
PubTracker. Because PubTracker, some business people will use PubTracker. They don't have any visibility to OTC.
Mhm.
If you compare with this PT31, whatever the business users or users that who are working on PT31, they don't have visibility to OTC application. They
So
don't
we
know
can
the
do all the
OTC.
transactions of OTC business in the PubTracker itself?
Sorry.
No, I think that is for some other purpose actually. Some information is going, we don't know what, either in our scope, no, the one which you talked about from DW to PT,
This is not.
not in our scope, right? So who does all that? It's like outside of,
No, there is a PubTracker team is there.
so it falls under their scope,
Their
PubTracker
scope, their
to get
scope. I mean,
data.
sometimes we need to check.
Hmm.
Like we need to update some of the ISBNs
Hmm.
in OTC,
Hmm.
and we have to follow this procedure. That means we have to run inventory master feed,
Hmm.
and we just need to request DBA team to get it loaded to DW.
Hmm.
And I guess there will be like, if we do the transactions today, updates today,
Hmm.
the same change will reflect in PubTracker
Hmm.
by tomorrow. There will be like timings will be there that Ritu Parna, one of the PubTracker team member, she
Hmm.
will give you the time. I mean, when
For that thing to happen, we need to request the DBA team to take it forward from there.
yeah, from
And
there,
the PT team
and
takes
then
care.
next day you have to check in PubTracker
Okay.
whether whatever the change that you have done is getting reflected in PubTracker or not.
Okay.
If it is reflected, then that's fine. If it is not reflected, then you just need to draft a mail to Ritu Parna.
Right. So
Then
we can-
she'll check why the transaction has not flowed to PT.
So we can check with the PT team as to what is it that they're getting from DW, right? The one
Yeah,
that
yeah.
flows from OTC to that.
Yeah.
I'm sure not all the information will be flowing.
Yeah.
Something which they're using in PT that helps.
And also when they need
Hmm.
what?
Correct.
Does Suleiman know about it?
Sorry.
Does Suleiman know about it? Suleiman.
Regarding what?
Does he know about this DW to PT process, data feed?
DW to PT, maybe, might be.
We can check with them.
No, we have DW test tables are also there, but we never
use
That-
it or
that-
something, right?
We have just, I mean, nowadays we are just, I mean, if there is any request from Aaron or PT team, we are making some transactions in updates in OTC and just checking in the pub tracker. Earlier we used to only concentrate on whether the data flows from OTC to DW. That's it. That the whole complete cycle we are not. And one more thing is from PT to OTC.
From PT
We are-
to OTC.
PT to OTC and OTC to DW.
Okay.
This part only we are concentrating, not the DW to PT.
Okay.
But nowadays, as per their request, we are just
See, what we get from PD to OTC is
ISBNs.
through the data, same way the same process like
There is a Java scheduler which runs in the regular.
the file format.
No,
Data
it's not file. It's just pick up the record. It just pick up the records in from PT,
Did we cover that too?
PT to OTC.
So those interfaces will be taken care by PT people?
No. I'll take care of that.
Those also, right?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I mean, currently, where are you in PubTracker, Sulaiman?
Nothing.
PT30.
PT30 started yesterday.
Okay, you are not, I mean, created any ISBN.
We have created only mandatory.
Do we have idea about fully completed ISBN? Like,
So we have created starting on mandatory field. We created an ISBN. After that, but it was not completed because there will be an approval process,
What
right?
is it?
No, that part is completely different. It doesn't
Oh.
comes under OTC.
Okay.
As far as OTC is concerned, we will only create ISBNs for HP owners. That is of 3 publishers will be there. I'll show
That
you.
is the 3 publishers will be
So
there.
there is
and
only
another-
information which comes from PT to this. Other than that also PT does
Lot of things, yeah.
right? Oh.
That doesn't flows to OTC sometimes.
Okay.
That is externally linked to other systems also.
Okay.
Then in
I
that
mean,
case,
like as far as business is concerned, this OTC is a different system and PubTracker is different system. This OTC is handled by our team, let's say HPG, but this PubPT is handled by another team. This will be used by some other users for ISBN creations and all.
Okay.
The sales and the business flows into OTC. That's it.
So only HP ISBNs.
Likewise, we'll have other interfaces like online gifting. Online gifting is another tool or another application where the orders will be created. That is a web application. There will create some orders and through a scheduler job will be run and that orders will be
Flows to
flows to OTC.
Oh.
And the business whole processing, release, order download, shipment, everything is done in OTC.
Okay.
There are like
Those
external
tools are not
systems.
only used by HBG but,
But
other
yeah,
parties
those
as
are
well.
different.
External.
Yeah. External
Okay.
external systems.
so only creation of ISBN only we are dealing with.
As far as OTC is concerned, just we'll create ISBN or we'll take any of the existing ISBN and just we'll do the update transaction.
In that case, you have
In that
created
case,
an
we
ISBN.
will check in OTC whether that the new ISBN created has been flowing into OTC or the change or is getting populated in the OTC or not. That's it.
so you do that interface validation?
Yeah, I'll do.
You know how to create an ISBN and
Yes,
just
yes, I know.
populate and update the data feed to the OTC?
Yes, I know.
So what next, which one will you take now? Will continue with WMS or?
Actually, I thought of telling you the expected receipts, but it takes a lot of time actually. Today I don't have much time. I have a call at 3 o'clock,
Oh.
so that's the reason I'm just looking whether what can we do.
So when are we going to see that PT to OTC?
PT to OTC. I'll check with Shiva whether that will also be included in.
It's not, nothing is actually mentioned here. This is what he
And also it
mentioned.
would be
PT
helpful
30.
if you show something DW to PT also.
He's talking about CRs and all this.
DW to PT. When it comes to DW to PT, we can't have like visibility.
What stage after this whole HPG process we send the data from DW to PT? We are not sure.
I didn't get your question actually.
What stage of
In every
the whole
stage,
HBG business flow?
in every stage actually, in every stage,
we
don't
said-
get like, you don't get confused like why this is necessary and all. You like if you have the complete knowledge, complete KT has been done right, then you will have the better idea why this data should flow and why data be synced from OTC to other systems and all. That there you'll get a clear idea.
He started payment request approval, right, yesterday. Does it, this process will start only after this data flows from?
No, that is independent. That is independent. That is independent. It is not the complete end-to-end scenario.
I have the ISBN is sent to the OTC and I process the whole ISBN all the way to the billing. Then what is the PT's role? What is the role in PT?
So what which he is teaching, I think it's more to do with contracts, payments and all that stuff, right?
Yeah,
I'm
that
not really
is
sure if that's
Vandana,
flowing
that
here.
is complete. That is completely regarding the project PT 31.
Exactly.
You don't compare that project with this
There are
project.
different
This is
components to PT. PT itself is one application, right? So
yeah.
it's part of those whatever he's
whatever the
PT
contracts,
specific.
that will never flows to OTC.
And they are talking about ISBN. Every ISBN should flow through the OTC.
Correct.
to get
ISB,
processed,
not
right?
everything related to ISB.
ISB.
Whatever is required for order management or that flow, only though that portion will
comes to,
that
yeah.
we need to know from him or whoever. What is the data that actually flows from PT to this?
That is completely different project. As far as OTC is concerned, you just need to, I mean, if it is OTC validation, then you just need to, if it is a OTC related issue, then you just need to create ISBN or update whatever the issue may be. You just see whether that flows to OTC correctly or not, and that's. As far as OTC functionality is concerned, you just need to check the flow from PT to OTC and OTC to PT, DW and PT. And for OTC testing, we don't use that contracts approval and all. We will never use that. We will just create the ISBNs only for HB titles only.
Okay.
That means there are like 3 reporting groups will be there. One is the Grand Central Publishing, Little Brown and Center Street.
Oh,
These
that's
are the-
what he told, right, yesterday?
Yeah.
We have permissions to create only with those 3.
3.
That's what my
That we only our OTC team only use that 3 publishers.
Okay.
For that 3 publishers, since it is it's a HBG business, we don't need any contract approvals from anyone.
Okay.
So
That's why he selected that no contract. Okay. Now it's good.
No contract
Okay.
required.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll select and then automatically the ISBN will be generated.
Okay.
So for OTC testing purpose, we only use that 3 publishers. That's it. So other than this, you have any doubts? You may ask. I'll start WMS expected receipts tomorrow.
Okay.
That's it.
You give please spend some time how to create an item. We were confused with.
So we will create it. How long can you status?
Now you have 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Can you
10 minutes you
show
can
us
create.
that? Really helpful.
Item?
Huh?
Yeah, sure.
Like you don't have anything else for today, right?
Nothing.
Okay.
Actually, I don't have time.
Yeah,
to do
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
That's the reason. If I start anything, then it will take a lot of time.
Sure. Are you saying that every book which gets published there in US it has got a unique ISBN?
Yes, every
Every
book,
single
whatever.
book,
I mean, no. If it is published here also, you'll have this.
Even if you
Even
Any textbook also, for any
even if
textbook
you
or any.
buy any book in Flipkart or else
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can see
any
the-
book.
Big ones fine, but not. I don't think small publishers and all they'll be going to that international and I'm not.
ISBN for every book. I mean, there
For
will be
every
like.
book, yes.
I was just wondering,
stand-
US maybe it's easy to track, but I don't know about India. Will they be following that? Interesting.
So for this item type, we are dealing currently with only book, right?
Only
Not other than book, we are not dealing with any other thing. Okay.
No book, non-book also, right?
non-book also, but
We don't use that much. Okay.
no.
ISBN book for you and there is separate link. I guess.
Just open the Google and then search for that. Not just Google search.
Yeah. This last time we already used, right?
Just go for a Google page.
668.
No, go to Google page.
Okay.
Which one?
ISBNsearch.org or
Okay. Anyway, today I'll take this 9788178175. 97888175. హలో డాడీ ఆఫీస్ ఉంది డాడీ మాకు ఉద్దిపండుకు లేదంట కదా మమ్మీ కూడా కాల్ చేసింది నాకు వాడికి లేదంట ఇవాళ నిమజ్జనం కదా అందుకు కొన్ని వాటికి లేదు మాకుంది మాకు దసరాకి ఇచ్చారు కదా అందుకు ఈరోజు ఏం లేదు జ్వరం అంట నీకు నాకు అసలు మొన్న ఊరు దగ్గర వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి అసలు బాగాలేదు డాడీ బాగుందా మా అమ్మకి అవునా అదేంటి సిటీ స్కాన్ చేయించారా అవునా సరే ఎప్పుడు బయలుదేరుతున్నావు నువ్వు అవునా సరే డాడీ నేను ఒక కేటీ సెషన్లో ఉన్నాను నేను కొద్దిసేపు అయ్యాక నీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను బాయ్
Better we'll create it just to guide.
Yeah.
It's better, right? We can know that.
She has only 10 minutes, maybe 80 minutes left to run.
Subtitle not necessary,
Not
right?
necessary.
So after family code, before the family code, you need to go
You
to.
just go to
No, don't style. I get that.
Family mapping.
Family main product, right? Maintain product family mapping, right?
yes
The alt tab will not work, right?
no it doesn't work.
Entire operation is different.
The first one I have told you, right? This is not at all user friendly.
So
Until you get used to the system, you'll just get frustrated.
HP and
Yesterday we tried with CP, but we got so many issues.
with
Then
CP we're not able to create an ISBN. Only with HB only we able to create with ISBN.
we took only the
Family code.
first row only,
Okay.
but something got messed up yesterday. Again we shifted to HB.
You will be able to actually.
Family
Maybe
code HB,
you-
right? HB 010101.
So what are all steps we need to take if we define new family code, if we create a new family code?
New family code, like, I mean, in the product family mapper
Yeah, yeah.
screen. In the product map family screen, you may use anything that exists. But if you want to take that particular family code for an ISBN, then that should be predefined. in that screen.
Okay. Whatever we are taking
Yeah,
here,
here,
that should
yeah.
be
That should be
defined.
predefined.
So automatically it will be populated, eh?
Yeah, that will be auto-populated.
So,
Just you take the format and no, just look at that.
so 88 will be there by default.
No.
Yeah, we cheated. Yesterday we practiced for 2 hours.
Maybe you have more knowledge than me in this case.
The format is auto-populated.
Auto. So by default status will be NYP, right?
Yeah, it will be maybe.
Do we get any data coming from PT to this screens automatically?
ISBN,
Yeah,
right?
ISBN.
Apart from ISBN? No more.
ISBN or any changes for BISAC category, publication date.
Family code will
Yeah,
create here
family code also will be.
coming from ISBN, from PT?
I mean, if an ISBN comes, then that particular family code will populate here.
And for this HV family code, for that only that community code is there, it will be populating. Other than HP, if you enter C or something, it will be 0.
CB.
CB,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
It might be actually. Yeah, just select the item category.
What exactly that means, item category?
Category means it just we are categorizing your book. I mean, which comes under which category?
Specific group.
Specific group. Whether that the book you are creating comes under art or Bibles or biography like that.
so that we are categorizing it,
Yeah,
right?
just
That's
we
what.
are categorizing.
And no need of this one, right?
And that
That
is
also will-
mandatory. If it about, then it is mandatory.
Uh-huh.
If you enter the first thing,
No,
Yeah.
in that case, if we create an ISBN, while creating an ISBN PT, if we populate most of the data, and then after running the job, interface job between PT and OTC, we don't need to populate data here, right, in OTC. Automatically it comes in.
Yeah, automatically it comes.
And this long title
What
should
Suleiman
be
told
same as this one, or we can enter
no,
another one
we
also?
can enter
No,
anything.
enter anything.
Anything, okay. So we got it, status and release. So here, state,
Nothing is.
nothing is there, right?
Shipping
Send
schedule
IP,
type is mandatory.
List price.
No, that's fine.
So here,
Status.
status, first of all we will need to type T, right? Automatically.
Automatically T.
Now you need to save it, right?
No. Just add a list price.
Okay.
It should be a default price, right?
No. If it tentative price also, you will be able
Now
to
save.
add. Yeah, save.
So we didn't save it, we checked it, and after that we get saved, and it's throwing an error for us.
No, if you copy price, then it system asks us to change the price
status.
status.
This is what
Active
we,
family code combination is not defined either in product. Yes,
this is what we are getting.
I'll explain. Yeah. Okay.
Cancel, don't click now.
So you have taken format 88, right?
Yes.
If it is format 88, these are the as many combinations that exist in product family mapping screen.
Yes.
So you have taken only format, but the subformat is empty. There is no such record wherein the subformat is empty for the format 88,
Okay.
which means that the system is.
So you mean to say that format 88 is there, but subformat is 0. Null,
Yeah,
right?
subformat is null in
Yeah.
your case.
Okay.
Okay, let's create one thing. Okay, as per your okay.
So we need to populate subformat there also.
Either ways works.
Oh.
Whether you will take any of the subformat and place it in the ISBN, or else you need to again predefine in the screen whatever the family code that you are.
But I did enter subformat there, right?
Yeah, that's the reason.
As a result,
So
if I enter
you-
there, then automatically it will not show this message or what?
Yes.
Okay.
So if that whatever the record that you are created, if that has to be successfully saved, then I'm showing. Okay, you haven't specified any subformat, so I'm just leaving it blank.
Okay.
I'm just predefined as per your test data.
Okay.
This window is for creating the family code.
Yeah.
Product family code.
Mapping.
Huh.
I mean,
Okay. So now I'm saving. So actually, whatever the record that I have added now, this is the family code that you have taken in the item.
Okay.
So yeah, this is successfully done. Now you try to save it. Still it is showing same error, screen error in family code creation. Just a second.
it's 68. There is no subformat with the blank.
No, it is not saved. But
So attach the any of the subformat to the place.
yeah, that's better.
But I see two same subformat in two places here, right?
02 and 02.
Yeah.
Is it so?
Yeah.
Yes, but here the category and this is different, right?
Category is different.
Category is different.
Group
So
is
you
same.
have taken 0101,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So 0101, 03, 07,
07. Yeah.
88.
88.
So let's take either 02 or 01 in the
Okay.
subformat. Okay. Let's take 02. Now it should save. Yeah. it
So
got
because of that subformat we are not entered, that's the reason.
That's the
it is-
reason.
Okay. Now it is created, right?
No, it's created.
Now after that we need to change this as D.
Yeah, you can change to
For
D.
what reason we need to change with D?
Since if you want to like create any order with this ISBN,
Okay.
then there should be the default list price.
Okay.
Otherwise, the order you won't be able to create order with tentative price status.
Okay. So this means
It's really nothing but a base price, right?
Yes.
We are defining some price to the book,
Yeah,
basically.
inventory price must be created for the default. You just copy price.
so now,
Or else you can provide manually
yeah,
also.
Now control F.
No,
right?
save. Transaction.
Transaction. So this is what.
Yeah.
Now what is this bisect one? We got one more error, that bisect.
Bisect category is nothing but item category.
Okay, that's what I did it after that, and it's got.
Before lunch I entered all the fields, that item specific category.
So all the fields
Then I
entered,
type,
right?
That will also work.
Okay.
To avoid that bisect error, I entered all the fields.
I mean, if a book comes under different categories, then you can.
Okay, so this is the way. Okay. So we have created this, right? After that, so how do you map to inventory? This one with the help of this item code, right?
Yeah, with the help of this item code.
Here we can see different
So
tabs.
I mean, you have already created the inventory price also.
Yes.
Okay, for inventory type default, this is blank.
So if you want, in what scenarios that more than one price status will be there? This price status D, that means how many?
Pub status.
Yeah.
With different pub status. But by default price will be at any time default price will be unique one.
Money one.
There is
Default
only
and
one
tentative.
default. Yeah.
Okay.
If you add another price, then it will be tentative.
Okay, it will be tentative.
Tentative only.
It should be one default, one tentative, and
Two future.
any number of future prices.
Future prices. Yeah.
Okay.
But default price will be always
Why
one.
we define the future prices?
I mean, like today the price is like $10, for example. Okay, but the prices will vary, right, in future. So that's the reason you'll predefine
So
for the future.
we have created an ISBN. So in real time scenarios, what will be the scenario that we need to change any modification in the current ISBN? So what type of request do you people will get?
Request means that
To
pub
change
status changes.
some changes.
Pub status changes. You
Only
may,
that.
yeah, you may change to pub status or publication date.
Okay.
You may change anything.
So that means what you
actually.
explained is change date, the act A to B something like the status,
Oh yeah.
delete option like that, right?
Yes.
That is the request.
Here in the item category, this
This
is
one?
there, yeah.
Oh.
Here is showing couple of the check boxes, the text boxes.
Yeah.
How it will be visible like for one ISBN, but for that ISBN coming into the various categories.
Mm-hmm.
We are talking about one ISBN means it's only specific book, right?
Yeah, but there are some conditions wherein the book will falls into two categories, right?
One book falls into two categories.
Two categories, yeah, that may be.
Oh, that may be situation.
That may be also situation.
So we create a customer for a specific ISBN or it's independent of?
So can you tell us
Customer
the
is
creation, customer creation?
customer creation.
No, it's independent to the item creation.
Yeah, customer is different and item is different. I mean, if you want to release orders for some reporting groups, suppose you have one customer. Okay, under client you have one tab, right? Client info. The one tab is there in the Windows screen. Client info. Okay. By default, you'll always be able to create orders for HP titles for any account, since it's a host, right? So your HP and the company is HP, and you may create orders for HP titles. But if you are creating orders with CB titles, that is chronicle books, then you have to predefine in the client information for that particular account. The client information.
Customer, how to create this?
So I just now my user ID got created in the system. Can I get all this data? The
I mean, like, what is the
ISBN
responsibility of your user?
ISBN, I have the admin responsibility.
Admin, then you will be able to.
So what about super user? Then also you can able to get it, right?
Yeah, but I mean, few responsibilities may have a few privileges.
Okay. So top one is the admin, right?
Yeah.
Everything in the So account number, any account number you can give it, right?
Yeah. Account number will be auto-populated. This is I'm showing you the existing account number.
So how to create a customer then? This is the process only.
No,
Oh.
that's the different process. So just answering to.
Oh, okay, his question. Okay, fine.
Okay. So this is one customer. Okay. Amir Wholesale Book Company. Okay. 1010167 is the bill to number. That is account number. Customer. In the client information, you're having different owners. That which means that this customer may sell products for owner MP, PI, CB, IK, TL. Okay, so now you will be able to create orders for all these ISBNs. Any ISBNs which belongs to this owner.
Here owners in the sense
Please
publication.
go
Okay.
above. Just go
Owner
above
is
the
nothing
screen.
but reporting group is nothing but publishers.
Report
Owner is nothing but each owner may contain different publishers.
Scroll.
Okay.
You create an organization for an ISBN, right? Or customer?
Customer. Customer is different, ISBN is different.
Customer is nothing but an organization, right? Or organization will have a number of
Number
customers.
of customers.
Okay, account number is nothing but a customer number.
Customer, yeah. Bill to
Okay.
number. Or
So one organization will have a number of customers.
customers. So
But
this
one
is the
hierarchy,
organization,
hierarchy,
and this
okay.
is the bill to, and this is the shipped.
Shipped.
But there
So
is
you
no
want me
ISBN related mapping here, right, in the customer?
No ISBN related, just you will map the owners.
Why we create an, I mean, where we create an, where we get the account number?
It's auto-populated. While creation of, I mean, if you provide all the mandatory information and you will save the record, then the bill to number, account number will be populated. Let me show you. Let's create one.
If you don't specify that organization.
And we pick up this account number while we do the inventory everything, right? We map this bill to the ISBN.
Yes. Not ISBN,
Not
not
ISBN.
order.
Order.
Yeah.
Order.
So I'm taking one organization, okay, and I'll show you. So I'm creating a new account.
Okay.
So this is the organization.
So how
In
do you
this-
create an organization?
From this screen, create organization.
Organization, okay. It's not fine.
Okay.
So we create an organization. After that, for the organization, we are mapping.
Mapping for
customer.
different customers. Okay. The name, anything. Just contact.
It's not mandatory, right? State
Yeah, it's
and country.
not mandatory.
So if you give any junk address, then we need to override it, right?
Yes, override. Override. Currency will be auto-populated. Just we need to select the default account type.
Okay.
Anything 0 to 1, and just we'll say contact information is mandatory. Here we have to provide at least one contact information. General contact. Okay. I'm saying data already same bill to name, okay? For the same bill to name. It's just pop up. Yes.
It already exists with the same name, right?
Same name. Okay. Just it will give a pop up.
Okay.
So see, this is the account number. This is auto populated as and when you save the record.
So now the account number is unique, but the name can be
Same.
right?
Account number will be unique. Okay. See you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Uma.
Thanks.